What is up? It is Big Chart Trades back with another video, and in this video I am going to be recapping my trading day today. So as you can see on screen, we hit TP on every account except the 3 accounts that are negative $2,000 in drawdown. So let me just explain to you what happened today. So I go into today, I take a pre-market trade, I hit TP on that pre-market trade, but for some reason my alpha accounts did not copy trade. So as you can see, I hit TP on all my accounts except my alpha accounts. And this is extremely frustrating, obviously. So with that being said, I got tilted. I proceeded to take 2 or 3 more setups, and obviously they were all bad setups because at this point I was just revenge trading. I was tilted, so I ended up taking, hitting maximum loss limit on all my 3 alpha accounts, and that's kind of frustrating, but it is what it is. So let me just recap the trade that I took and my analysis going into today so you can learn, just in general. So the market actually dumped 400 points overnight. As you can see, Tuesday open, right? We were up here. Let's go. Yeah. So Tuesday open, we were up here, and then we ended, at the low, we were 282 points away. So 280 points, not 400. But yeah, so with that being said, I was bearish, right? I wanted this low to get taken. This is what the market looked like going into today, right? So let me go to replay mode. Going into 9:30, this is what the market looked like. When I see this chart, I see these lows, right? What else do I see? I see these lows. Okay, I see all these lows that look like they are going to get taken. So it's extremely frustrating when, I hit TP on that trade and it doesn't register on my alpha account. It was a beautiful trade. So with that being said, okay, market opens. What do I see here? I see this little weird wick right here. So obviously I want something like this to happen, right? I want us to sweep that high inside of this 15-minute gap, and I want us to dump into that wick. So let's see what happens. Okay, see what happens. Okay, market opens. Okay, so we sweep the high just before market opens. We pump a little bit. Whoop, dang it. We pump a little bit, and what do we have? Well, on this candle closure, we have this was my entry. We have a 3-minute inversion right there. Easy target the low, 1-to-1, or yeah, like 1-to-1, right there. Easy TP, and that was the trade. Beautiful trade. Just so unfortunate that it didn't execute on my alpha accounts. I was so frustrated. Because it was such an easy setup. It was like so blatantly obvious. Watch it now, rejecting off of this hourly gap. Okay, what do I see? I see this weird wick. Okay, there's probably like an inversion in here somewhere. Yep. Oh wow, you would have gotten stopped on this 5-minute inversion, huh? If you took it, right, stop would have gone here. Oh, you would have gotten stopped right there. But yeah, so I don't know. It's just so frustrating, man. I mean, I I even got so frustrated to the point where I put a little sticky note like on my computer right after I just lost that money. It says, "This is your reminder not to revenge trade today." Like, bro, it's beautiful. I mean, it really is beautiful. I mean, and luckily we are still up, right, on the week. Okay, we had a big day yesterday. All right, so we're still up on the week, but as you can see, that revenge trading like really hits, right? Last week I took 100 trades in total. Well, I had less accounts, to be fair, right? Like I was only trading these 4 accounts. But this week we're already at 102. But we have way more accounts, like way more accounts. So with that being said, yeah, that is the trade recap from today. Extremely frustrating. Let me know in the comments below if you took what I took or if you took something else. Also, let me know if you're appreciating these recaps because I'm trying to bring them back. And yeah, just show you guys how I trade and everything. So with that being said, peace out. Subscribe if you're new. Like this video. I'm pretty sure Alpha Futures is doing a 10% off sale. I use TradeSyncer to copy all my trades. and they are also doing 10% off with code CHAR. Alpha's 10% off with code CHAR. I think that's it. I think Apex is doing 70% off with code CHAR. So there's a lot of opportunities for you if you're interested in buying accounts. But with that being said, peace out. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.